Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, 3,000 subscribers. Yep, thank you so much guys for joining my channel. And I hope I'm entertaining you enough. And if you've just joined me, please subscribe and please share. And today I'm actually doing a pancake recipe. Now, for you guys who've been on the channel for a while, you may have seen this previously before. So I've taken a recipe video from last year and enhanced it with modern technology, or it could be just total. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget the recipe is below the video in the description, and you can also find it on my Facebook page at Traditional Bakery. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 200 grams of white flour, a pinch of salt, 350 grams of milk. Now you can actually use this 50-50 with water if you want to make them a little bit lighter, and 2 large eggs. Right, first guys, start by pouring your milk into the bowl. Add in your eggs. Now you want to give this a really good whisk up. And this is the technique really, you want to get some air into it. Don't be afraid of the whisk. Right then, add a bit of salt. And now you add in your flour. Now this is strong flour, so you're going to give this a really good whisk up now. Because the gluten in it, it can go thick. So if it does go a little bit too thick, just add a little bit of water into it. That's it, we're almost there now. Right, now put a cover over it. And now you can leave that for around about 20 minutes. Now we can get on to frying them off. You can have a crepe pan or a large frying pan. Now you want to cover this with oil or unsalted butter. Now just ladle your mixture onto the hot plate or frying pan. They should cook for around about 30 to 40 seconds. Just lift them carefully, just have a look underneath, just to see how we're getting on. They want to be golden brown underneath, and just flick them over. Or if you feel up to it and you've got a frying pan, flick them in the frying pan. Right, they're almost ready. Once they're golden brown on the other side, they're ready. Again, it's 30 to 40 seconds on the other side. Now transfer them onto a plate. Oh, that one's not quite ready. Right, and now we'll get to putting some lemon on. It's an all-time favourite. Not forgetting to put some sugar on as well. And we just roll them up. I mean, you can eat these straight away, or you can actually freeze them, or put them in the fridge for another day and just reheat them if you want. There we go, just clean the plate off. That's all three done. All ready for lunch. Bit of a sprinkle on the sugar. And there we go, guys. Well guys, it was as simple as that. Now, I know if you've not seen this before, the remakes are always slightly better than the originals. Okay, there's only one of me, but nevertheless. Your recipe is under the video in the description, and also you can find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. And don't forget guys, I have got a shed of playlists on my YouTube channel. So do check them out and enjoy them. And we'll see you again in the Crazy Baker kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!